This old log building was in desperate need of painting. I decided to prepare red paint for painting. I used the following ingredients to make the paint. Iron sulfate darkens the shade of the paint pigment and increases the resistance of the paint to biological decomposition processes. Powdered iron oxide acts as a coloring pigment that gives the paint a brown to red tint color. Varnish made from linseed oil is used to accelerate the drying of paint, as well as protect the paint from UV radiation. The starch contained in the flour binds the paint pigment to the wood surface. First, I put the fire under the pot for heating the water. To mix the paint, I made a paddle out of pine board. I mixed the flour with a small amount of water first. Flour had to be added in small portions. I mixed iron sulfate and flour in hot water. This mixture had to be cooked over low heat for more than 2 hours. Next, I added a coloring pigment that was hematite, and the paint got its characteristic color. Finally, I added varnish to the paint. After adding all the ingredients, the paint had to be boiled for over an hour. The paint is ready when no dye comes off after drying. Eventually, I was able to try to paint on the pine board. The finished paint will remain for a few days.